Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing good. This video actually, I will wrap up the week with you and I will share with you all the trades and the entries I have for my channel, and I will tell you the entry reason for each trade. First, I'll start with GBP USD, and I did share with you a free trade on it, and I give you the details for it. As you can see, the main direction for this pair was downtrend line, and as you can see, we had this really nice wave. So I did use my fib tool from this top to this bottom, and I figure out that the price is standing between a 61 and 71 fib level. And as you can see, we had this amazing bearish candlestick. Let me zoom in for you, this big bearish candlestick, and it can be also engulfing. So I waited for the price to come back again to 61 fib level, and from there I did enter my sell trade. This trade achieved 80 pips profit so far, so I hope you did enter with me. My second trade on the list for this week was Euro JPY, and your JPY actually was pretty interesting and I loved it. It looked good and reasonable. All the JPY pairs are moving to the upside pretty strongly without retracement. It doesn't retest most of the important levels, but as you can see, we had this a strong resistance. The price managed to break it. I waited for the price to come and retest it, and it gave me this amazing bullish candlestick, as you can see. So from there I entered my buy trade. This trade was the one that earned the most pips for me in my channel, as this trade earned around 140 pips profit, still also running as the GBP USD. So my third pair actually was pretty interesting this week. It was GBP New Zealand. I did enter twice on this pair, but it was not a successful trade. I did enter first. As you can see, it's also the same as GBP USD. We have a downtrend line, we have nice waves. I used my Feb tool from this top to this bottom, and I figure out also that the price is around the trend line and at the same time around the 71 Feb level. So I did enter my first entry on this pair, a sell trade, and this trade achieved around 30 bips. And then we had this a huge move. Actually, my trade was around this candlestick, and as you can see, we had this huge move to the upside. So I did exit the trade on the entry point, so I didn't make any loss in the first entry. And then after the daily candlestick closure, we had this amazing bearish price action. This is evening star, the three candlesticks. We had this amazing doji, and at the same time on the daily time frame, the price failed to close above the 78 fib level. So it was a good sign that the price will continue to the downside. So I did enter again. My entry was around 450, I guess, 2.07, 450. This was my second sell trade on this pair, but unfortunately after it moved a little bit to the downside, it didn't achieve much, maybe 10 or 15 pips, and then it will moved and made this amazing bullish price action. This was huge candlestick, and it's really bad sign that the price will continue to the upside. I had to get out of the trade. Actually, it was minus 10 pips on this pair, but it was good for me because my stop loss was around 60 pips. So getting out with minus 10 was amazing, because my stop will definitely be hit after this huge move and this very strong bin bar to the upside. So this is my third. Actually, I had two entries on it, so we will say it's four trades so far. And yesterday, I shared with my followers a trade on dollar JPY. Actually, this was also a really nice trade. As you can see, this blue level is a pretty strong level on bigger time frames, starting from the monthly and the weekly. It's pretty strong resistance that the price broke it, close above it on the daily time frame. So I did put a limit order, waited for the price to come down, and it triggered my order. My order was activated, and this trade achieved around I will tell you exactly because I can't remember. I will measure it. Yeah, it achieved around 90 pips, and it's still running. As you can see, it's making nice moves. And since we're on Friday, I did book profit early, and I'm on the safe side in this pair. So this is my fifth trade for the week. And what else do I have? Let me remember. Cat C Chef actually is an older trade, but it's still running and it's in profit. So I didn't do anything about it. It's still running in my account. I didn't close it or anything. So this was the a summary for this week trades, the trades I did enter. I think it was a great successful week, achieved a lot of pips, and I hope you guys did follow some of my ideas and the videos I did share with you here on my account, because as I said, all of them, actually most of them, made great and huge profits except for the GBP New Zealand, and I was so happy that I got out with a small stop loss and a small loss. So I hope you guys like this idea and benefit from the video. If you guys have any ideas for the next videos, you can write me on the comment in the comments. Stay safe, everybody, and I'll see you in the next idea.